All right, so it's a Saturday and we just came in here and we just sold a 66 Impala convertible, but I got the Caprice up on the rack because what we're doing is going through it like we do with all the cars here. And we're about to do all new brakes on the front of it. We already did the rear and axle seals, and we got some other parts coming, some maintenance parts, but sway bar bushings, all that kind of stuff. But anyway, what I wanted to show off is this is very rare. I've only seen this on a few cars actually survive. Look at the original tag that GM put on the springs. It's paper, and it's survived all these years. That's just a testament to what a survivor car like this, you know, still has on it. That's pretty amazing. So it's not just on the two fronts. I mean, look at, there's one there. You can see it. It's crispy critter, but it's still there. We just put new shocks in it too because the shocks were pretty shot out. It's getting a new fuel pump because there's a little drip from that. So we always go through them, even survivors, to make sure that someone's getting a good car. I mean, also look at the floor pans on this car. Absolutely amazing. There's the original Turbo 400. Look at the floor pans. But check this out. It gets better. Oops, sorry for the camera work. We put a new wheel stud. One wheel stud was messed up. We serviced the diff. We're going to be doing new rear bushings. But here we go. So I'm going to come around here. Sorry, there's another Impala underneath it. Well, this is technically a Caprice up top. But look, there's the original GM part number sticker on the fuel tank. There's the tags on the rear springs. There's another one on the other side, but I'll save you guys the time. So let's find out, man. How many times have you guys seen in the last 10 years, let's say? Because I understand there's some old guys out there that say, I've seen those before. Yeah, maybe when the car was, you know, back in 75. Yeah. But when's the last time you saw one of those on a car? And it was in the last 10 years? Let me know. I'm curious. Do I have, look, there's the tag right there. Look at that one's the cleanest one. Let me see if I focus on it.
I never seen one, and I'm 71 years old. Crazy Joe.
All right. So look at that. Anyway, this car is super clean. Damn. But yeah, tell me what you guys have seen. And if you like content like this and cool cars, and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.